টাউন নন্দনগর আগরতলা ত্রিপুরা।
From Education Department, please do your homework. Hai meritorious students rokno. Teibochen encouragement renani bagai. We could have spoken about their background. Bahiklai mocharai rok. Class 1, 2, 3 both school of porikha. How they slogged. 91, 92, 95% bannan bagai. How they did the hard work, all such things could have been explained in shortest period of time. More than the students, Anglang Boromi guardian rokno se, I really thank them. Most of the homework serai chigon pro, I am sure mother was running after the children, father was running after the children, tuition otlang mathang. Timely my packet rima horoit muktrini mas hosau. So it is not all about the student alone. Parents have greater role in shaping up the students' career and result. Plus zara school of Fernairo. I was shocked not to see anyone receiving the felicitation memento from Kumpui Academy, Khoroksapan Korea. Whereas we keep telling every time, Kumpui Academy is one of the prestigious school run by ADC. Khoroksapan Korea. CEO is sitting here. Honorable EM is also here. CM is also here. I think our focus also should go to Kumpui Academy. Kumpui Academy o class mark khlai nai ma choli nai hai. Tinoro Sasa Academy ni Kornodhar ora subjak, you will identify him with his necktie. Tremendous result like a in school ni. How his wife and himself, the hard work they did to bring up this school, I think they need big congratulations and thanks from our side. As Zaga Boano Salsa Saiknarmani, nobody bought that land because the land was sloppy. With very cheap rate, he could buy that land. And he started building his school. Tini Kumlungo jodi anybody talks of good school, I think Sasa is also one of the good schools in Kumlung. So this is all hard work. And I tell you, Tini jara some of you 92%, 91% mani narok tong thokang mo tong thogonong bagi. But the challenge is ahead. The moment you enter in your college or in school, another challenge you will get now. Pori puru kaisa challenge, pori bhai pai. There is another challenge. MA khlaijak, net khlaijak, charerok chakri man jai. And I tell you, you must prepare yourself. Ang Tripurao Achaikha, Tripurao Porikha, Tripurao no Chakrimana Nangnai. Please don't have that mindset. Always dream big. I tell you, you should dream big. Some of you meritorious students, you are sitting here. You think that one day I'll work in United States of America. One day I'll go and work in Australia. Khoroksa chakma je class 12 pass clay auxilium ni she's getting training to become pilot in Florida. Amti hai zil tongna nangai hai. Kaisa opening song resap dinka. That opening song is also not perfect, I am telling you. That is not 90%. Opening song, it should be really opening song. I was telling Honorable EM Education, music sungbo buini nungmang nukhablait. Music kahamna nangna, and music also speaks a lot. Kumpui Academy wo nini class thik moto khlaije gya jungnu ko haite. And we are running Kumpui Academy. Agami din Kumpui Academy ni student of boron to 50% more payment to Kumpui Academy student of manna nangnai haite. Where poor people will go? Jotono St. Paul's Auxilium does not take you just like that. They only need money. If you cannot fee, you are no one there. Kintu Kumpuyo porinan bagai as fee nangyait. Suchini education afurno success jengnai. Jokhon school hamiani charai kaham basai phainei. And tinizararo student phainei ro. I know noro onek borok songo. Ang doctor de porinai, engineer de porinai, teacher de you don't know anything. You always ask your seniors, parents, interaction like that. Don't only play with mobile. Mobile will give you so much of information. Mobile misleads people sometimes. Stay away for some time from mobile until unless you don't need it. Tabungni zarairo noroni busuk kahamait. You don't need to buy books also at times. I tell you, there are students. The other day I was chatting with some law students. Noro boron boy pai hinsama. No, we don't need to buy the books. Google search kai jotto information man. Pistols namnani, bomas namnani porjonto Google search kai ke ruai. The other day I was reading Buma Bahike Islam, now I can make bomb. Because it was clearly given, step by step, how to make gun, everything is given. I regret zora sayadiba je kash mere zamane mein wo information agar milta, hum aur acha karta. Ani zorawa nga information manke ang busuk kaham klai man kamu. Now everything is in your fingertips, and I tell you, student kaham hinjak man bo kaisa khaklap su gohaise. Whole life you will boast yourself. Dan student kaham. Ar je borok gada bo jibono buinonuke kirimang thinai nen. Newton ni third law sadinga kharnai bo. A plus B whole square sadinga kharnai haite. So in whole life you will become coward and you will not be able to boast yourself as a good citizen of the country. Kaisa student kahamang busaman bo abo kom kogge. Sakriman ma borokogge. Sakriman mano. There are so many jobs. Tripura onek borok sao government job nango. But other than government jobs, there are so many jobs. My nephew, I am talking about my nephew. Till the other day, sitting at home, he was earning more than 1 lakh salary per month because everything he manages through his laptop. Now Bangalore mo thana nangli hai. America thana nangli, and my dear students, অনেক কোম্পানি নি কতর বিল্ডিং তাবু অফিস স্পেস বন্ধ খাই দো তাঙ্গি চাই দেমান বিকজ so much of traffic in Bangalore Delhi, Pune. A traffic no manage kainan bagi no go atsugui se tabu company ni manager rok samung tango. And that concept is called self-managed team, SMT. You have to manage everything. You have to do clerical job, managerial job, finance, everything you do, and you are compensated in lakhs and crores. Buino nokol khainai charerok, I am warning you. Nokol khainai ulobu jibono nokol khainai buinok tangai je nang nok tangnai. Bui bike paiki je nang painai because nang nokol khainai. You don't have self-confidence. This is the time for you all. You build your self-confidence. Our self-confidence finance bagi onek charerok khanai bara khai rabai khaburo. Yang ni siljak rok tongunai det. Abo self-confidence manu borokbo. Oro nok bar sirik nangkai engza go haita borok. Yes, I am also student of Sasa Academy. Anonek borok sungu said, why do you chop your hair too short? Nok bar phaikai khanai yango thango. Salsa chongwi ne ka sap ka rai pa bi ke nok bar thing mali aite. Tension free. So this is also self-confidence, I am telling you. Otherwise, like a fool, I always used to carry a comb in my pocket. Kuno jaga thaka kaisa aina se maru tu grau aise. Why? So that I make my hair okay. Build your self-confidence. Ti prasarok manya kuno kam kare. Norok nai dit. পৃথিবী ও যত টিভি নাম নাই রকসাবো জাপানিজ সাউথ কোরিয়ান যত মুয়া সানাই যাতা है জাপানিজ सूप मुया करी खाएंगे साउथ कोरियन मुया करी खाएंगे त्रिपुरा के ताम साजाक तो त्रिपुरा रोंग ब्रेन करे हो सेज तीनी दारा 90-92-95% माननाई चारे रोग they will prove East-West Tiprasas are the best. I am telling you. Tiprasarok kanai. We be siklip jagai dato. And most importantly, charerong sao drugs theke hak saloto. Angbo ekdin decision na ka politics of hai nai. Jotono drugs nahar unkna angwaisa nahar nai ki tamung. आगे जे ड्रग्स आजाक बस ओ सार ड्रग्स आसा दिनछौ तांगै बोर रिहेबो एक बछर तंग फैजाक नागालैंड आबो पुइला बो बामतिखैनो चेंग्रा ताम खैलैनो रगा बुकुंबाय कै सुरुबलाय नै साय आनबो सुरुबलि दिगे सुरुबै जार कंगा बाटो मजा फैगे पुरा दुनिया पक थांगाबो एकदम बिरिमा तखा बहाय देबो 2 दिन বোমা সাবাইকা মাইচা ফাইতে বাবু মাঝে আরো আসুক তোমায় এত মজা গ্রুপ পাই থাকা রাং করিকা 6-7 মাস আইকে আবো বুকুং 3 নাহারকা তামো নাহার বাক্সা সহ ব্রাউন সুগার কেন সুগার যে আবো মাসালিয়া বসাও একদম বডি পুরা বিনি ওয়াই বাইকা থুইনা মুসুং খাপু বড় টং সাদে আফ্রিকাইনো গ্যাস সিলিন্ডার খগই ভালো আছে তারপরে বইনি সাইকেল মাকা আফার উজুইতলাক ভালো নাই আং সামতি 2টা মোবাইল পাইখা গিয়েছে 50,000 দামনি মোবাইল 2,500 বাই দিয়ে পাইখাইছে ড্রাগস আনাই রগাইছে कसं का हुई आं 2 বছর ইউজ খাইখাইছে আমো চাই প্লিজ বি অ্যাওয়ে ফ্রম ড্রাগস आनी लाइफ निमे बोरमा ईश्वर बाय साजारी जांगनाय दांगि साइजामान ईश्वर जदि सिंगाय नों कुनो दिन सिगारेट नो नोंका आं सानो ईश्वर आं सिगारेट नोंगियाखौ ता दिन जर थै फाइमा परबो आं नोंगियाखौ I have never puffed cigarette in my life, not even a single puff. Buyano agi ani bondurok musuk merek lainnya tangkai musuk biki khamwaroni biri शिखा बिरिमान आगे आरो थ्यापा होइछ अरे वाइन इसे कुसुम ना भने आङ सागाना and I tell you because of that बिरि नोंखाय अनि तिनी वाइन सम थांबाय गामुं गाइछ बिरि नोंनाय रंनि प्रथम वाइन को समु गाइछ तारपरे यासकुबो सम गाइछ आनी ऑफिस नि खरकसा क्लार्क मात्र 24 बछर बयस सालसान गाना बुसा फाइका पूरा सिगरेट बुसाई दखान गाना हो आं से हे फाजिल बरो सिगरेट नों फाइ चाउ नोंया आं तो लाइफ सिगरेट नोंया सिगरेट बाहाय माकै छियो आगि नुख सिगरेट आनी यासिक बाराय हाइते किन्तु आदिनो पृथ्वीनि सबचेये कठोर सिगरेट आन गाना बुसा जाक he smoked cigarette and after 1 month I'm going to warning remand 1 month pore chest infection khait and doctor advised him not to smoke and he gave up smoke now he is okay I tell you don't experiment with all these things nongni nong amalo emon phan phaimano don't worry prithibhi changing what it keeps on changing when I was in class 10 broiler chicken kuno broiler chicken kare CEO sahab is here our legal advisor is here there is no concept of broiler chicken ang class 11 o kaprung kai kailai pandarok thangai sungjago desi de chanai na broiler what is that broiler a broiler khe norom mai broiler chicken eto toro 5 kg 7 kg hoyeche আর দেশিকে রাখ বুয়াও কসাউনি চানাইছে গরি খা এক সময় হইতে ও সারে রকম প্রায় ন ও ব্রয়লার হামজাং নেই মাং হইতে ও ব্রয়লার চাদা হইতে নাও দেশি চিকেন পাই থাকা অনলি ব্রয়লার পৃথিবী চেঞ্জ গো তাবুক जों মোমো চাও সিঙ্গারা চাও days are coming I am telling you I may not be there आज orang थैबान थांनाय आं करिं मानु but you remember this एमन दिन फाइ दं जे एकटा टैबलेट चाउइनो 10 दिन ते माइजाना नहीं everything fine so why are you worrying जागा करै न करै हु करै चाकरी करै अब की ती प्रासन सिमिदिबा whole world of problem अब हैछ and brilliant students तिनीहरु द्वारा felicitation मान थांनाय अमरो गाहाय चाराय रकनो साइन्टिस्ट दङ वानसुगो बरक जे माइमां माइ फसल खाइबो कुलक लाइलिया बाजारो माइमुं समान थकलिया खोनामानि आमेरिकाओ just the other week mo week ni again week you go through Times of India I got one article there in United States ekjon Indian mairung paina thangmani Arkansas 6 hours he needed to stand in the queue why India o taklai khorang nai mairok asingman thoklak khne government of India decided not to export rice to United States so aro shortage ni tokai so Indian roko mai chai tongmai onek boro so that shortage and scarcity already started in United States. Gradually, omohai situation, United States no force khainai tablets namna ni je mai mui kuno dorkar kirka ekta monok di 10 din you are secure. Don't worry for too much of future. Tini nong khlai dai tamo mai chadi dress up khai school thangdi teacher tam phurung pori di now if I practice kaide exam o kaham kaide good student hijagde after finishing your studies you decide where you want to go too much of future planning also spoils people khoroksa khuayo wansa jabo ape law porina ni arts porina buma bufaga khali doctor BA pass khaimali শেষ finish so don't force children bo tamo khlaina musuk are sapuriang jana musuke sapurias naam dite jemon chini Ronald Burma he was student in NIT He was in TIT, but he decided many years back, हम देश का नेता बनेंगे, हम इंजीनियर नहीं बनेंगे. तीनी को भाई और आसु भाई का like, he is the real neta. He was a student of NIT and TIT, very good footballer. Bin figure not look nice. I don't see his face, I only see his figure, I am telling you. Ronald Burma. So they also will share some of their views. Thank you so much. Norok bhai, sir, Rono hai ke kok sanani zora manja, abong zora buriza ki hai che. Officer no pailei pai usno to politician no student no pai haksal dito no. But frankly speaking, I love to talk to the children because they are the future. নং মাইন একদম ফ্রেশ আইসক্রিম দোকানো একদম সকই তো মানছে একদম মিলি তাও আরো চামচ খিকলাই নাই আর কুসলাই ওরে নাই কারেক্ট সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ অ্যান্ড উইশ ইউ all the best to all of you all. Belai belai hambai.